Hi, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. My name is Felicia. In today's topic, we're talking about how to remix song in Suno Ai. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Suno Ai. So this is the interface of my Suno Ai. The next thing is to go to your library, click on the library option. So right here is a list of songs I have on my library. Next thing is to select the particular song you want to remix. Click on the three dots close to the song. So next thing you have to do is to click on the remix option. Now you have to select cover. So right here, all you have to do is to change the style of the song. If you want to change it, you can change the style. You can modify the lyrics and also adjust the mode. If you want to change it, you can adjust the mode, and also you can add more description to the song. Having done that, the next thing you have to do is to click on the remix here, and it will automatically remix, and then you can now play your song. So guys, that is it on how to remix song in Suno Ai. If this video was helpful, please do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.